You're sending WhatsApp messages every day, but can you actually measure how your team is performing and prove your data is protected? Eazybe brings your WhatsApp metrics into HubSpot's own reporting and backs it with real GDPR compliance, so you can track response times, message volumes, and team effectiveness with total peace of mind. Let's build a dashboard. In HubSpot, click Reporting, then Reports, hit Create, and choose Create Report. Click Next to open the report builder, turn on the Add More Data Sources toggle, and click Next again. Then just search for your WhatsApp data sources and drag them onto the axis. Drag in as many metrics as you need. Then click Save Report, and you've got a live view of response times, volumes, and how your team's really doing. And you can trust every bit of that data. Eazybe is committed to GDPR compliance with encrypted storage and transparent policies. Need a data processing agreement? Just email hey@eazybe.com with your organization details, and the team sends it right back. So you get the insights to grow and the compliance to grow safely. Build your first dashboard today.